Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix volume suddenly low issue in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57, you're facing the issue that your phone's volume has been suddenly low. So let's see some possible fixes for this. You just have to scroll in the control center and here make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled because sometimes it might be if your Bluetooth is enabled, your Bluetooth automatically connects with any another device like any earbuds, any earphone, any Bluetooth speaker output. You gotta make sure it's disabled from here. Then just go back from here and go to your settings app. And in settings, just go to media and vibration. Go to volume here and just maximize all your volumes from here. And once you have maximized your volume, go back, go to sound quality and effects. Make sure that your adapt sound is disabled from here. Once I've done, just go back. You can try to go to software update and make sure that your software is up to date. You might have any pending software update on your phone, or you can also make sure that your do not disturb mode is disabled. Once I've done all of these, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can have to scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart button again. It will restart your phone and it will fix if there will be any software glitch or any technical error. It will be fixed in this step so you will not get this issue again. If you're still facing the same issue after restarting your phone, so you have a single way, just go back, go to settings, and in settings go to general management, go to reset and click on reset all settings. Click on reset again. It will reset all your phone settings to default, so if there will be any issue with your phone settings, it might be fixed in this app, and after that you will not get this issue again. And if your issue is still not fixed, so it might be that there will be any dirt or dust in your phone speaker. You just have to try to clean your phone speaker, and after cleaning your speakers, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.